Have you noticed that your desire is not the same after turning 50? What if the real reason is not age, but something happening inside your body and mind? If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it. Today, we are talking about low desire after 50 and whether hormones or stress are the real cause. As men get older, testosterone slowly decreases. This hormone controls desire, energy, and confidence. When levels drop, interest in intimacy often drops too. Low testosterone can also cause fatigue, mood changes, and weaker erections. Many men ignore these signs, thinking it is just aging. But hormones are only part of the story. Chronic stress is just as dangerous. When you are stressed, your body produces cortisol. High cortisol blocks testosterone production. It also reduces blood flow and increases anxiety. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress lowers desire. Low desire creates more stress. Sleep problems make everything worse. Poor sleep reduces testosterone and increases irritability. Unhealthy habits also play a role. Too much sugar, alcohol, and processed food damage hormones. Lack of exercise weakens circulation. So what should you do? First, improve sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Second, move your body. Daily walking and light strength training boost hormones naturally. Third, control stress. Deep breathing, prayer, meditation, or quiet time can calm your mind. Fourth, eat for balance. Choose eggs, fish, nuts, vegetables, and healthy fats. If your desire suddenly drops or stays low for a long time, see a doctor. A simple blood test can check hormone levels. Low desire after 50 is not something to be ashamed of. It is a signal. Strong men listen to signals and take action. Take care of your body and mind, and your desire can return.